WhatsApp calls not working in Oman. See how to fix it. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Find the Planet VPN app and install it. Once installed, launch the app. You don't need to register an account, choose one of the 5 free servers and connect. Your connection is anonymous and secure. Unblock any websites and services with Planet VPN for free. Open WhatsApp and make sure it's working again. Planet VPN protects your connection by encrypting all traffic, which is especially important when connecting to public Wi-Fi hotspots. Keep your communication free anywhere in the world. Planet VPN bypasses all restrictions, providing access to any content without limitations. Download free Planet VPN now.